Okay guys, so I need to tell you what I just figured out. I was thinking that I need to take these wires to go with the body, but just now I see that I can disconnect it. That's perfect. This helps me a lot because I don't need to struggle with that then. So then I just gonna disconnect and we can start with the frame, because that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so there's like three plastic disconnections, so then I'm free to go up. That's nice. Okay guys, so today I just want to drive out with the frame and check a little bit how it looks like, because I don't have time today. So tomorrow I'm gonna come here to work. So that looks bad here, and it's full of rust inside, like all of this is full. So plan for tomorrow is first to take the fuel tank out, because I need to have access all around here. So then we're gonna clean. I don't gonna wash or something. I just gonna scrub it all the way. Maybe not everything. No, I think everything. I'm just gonna scrub it. This old paint, whatever is that, or this protection, and we're gonna see what we can do. I think here's not that bad, because I try here and here it looks pretty good. So I think maybe that's a small part that I can just cut and weld. The worst is here actually, because as I see this should be like one part, and then this is on the top. So this part on the top, it still exists, but this under, it's not exist. Like you see here, that's the top and that's the under. So I don't know what to do here actually. Maybe need to just throw this, like cut like that, and then weld this piece, and then weld that on the top again, or something new with the holes. So I don't know. I don't want to weld so much, because first I don't have welding machine, so someone need to weld it for me. So I don't want to make it like a day of just welding, or 2 days, because I don't have money for that, and time and place. So we'll see. Finger crossed that's all gonna be okay. Tomorrow because today I just do it after work for a moment. So tomorrow I'm gonna be here all day, and yes, tomorrow big day. Yeah. Okay guys, so like you see, first I clean a little bit, because it was centimeter of the mud and dust, and now I take off the fuel tank. So now I have nice access everywhere, so we can start cleaning the frame around. Of course fuel tank I'm gonna clean also and paint it to protect it from the rust and mold. So yeah, let's go. I'm opening the Pandora box. It's not nice. Okay guys, so like you see here, I cut this bad piece. It seems like from the other side it's also shit. And here's worst. I really don't know what to do now because I don't have welding machine. I cannot be here too long in this place to weld it, like to fix it. I need to drive out every time. I think I'm gonna take bumper for now and I'm gonna drive out the car, but I'm gonna put something here to have it higher so I can work outside. Maybe in the evenings I'll just do something. So I think I'm gonna just cut it slowly and try to weld a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. Okay guys, so the frame looks bad. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. Maybe I'm gonna put some pieces, or maybe I'm just gonna weld new this back part. So for now what I need to do, I need to measure everything perfectly, because if I'm gonna start some cutting, let's say to fix a piece, and then I need to know how it was exactly, right? How to weld it back and what was dimension and all, so everything gonna fit. So that's my job for now. Yeah. Some plans been made, so now I just need to make it more nice in the house, make better construction plan, and we're gonna do it. Okay, hi guys. So today I'm trying to make a form for a frame. So the plan is that it's gonna be something like that under, and then on the top it's gonna be something more. So it's gonna be 10 centimeters here. Here it's gonna be 14 because then I have more, so I can cut how I want. And then here it's gonna be like that. So then I'm gonna cut down here and also bend it like I want. And I think I'm gonna make hole here, and then I can weld around this hole so it's gonna be stronger. So yeah, that's gonna go all the way down here to the end. So that's gonna be something like this here. And then from the top it's gonna be, I don't know from where, maybe here, just maybe on this place where it's bended, maybe like this, metal, and here in the end I'm gonna make like two sides just to connect everything around. So it's gonna be under and it's gonna be on the top, and this side also. And then here we'll see. I don't have plan yet for this one, but probably I need to cut all of this. I think I need to cut this mounting for fuel tank, and then I'm gonna make something from this metal also, like this small angle and this, and then small angle same like that. So it's gonna be just one part going here. So that's the plan for now. Yeah, we'll see, but that's gonna be later. First is this one, so I need to make two, not identical, they're gonna be identical, but it's gonna be like this mirror sides, so it's gonna be the same on the left and right, but a little bit different. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try to make it on my steel plate that I have here, and then maybe tomorrow or someday during the week I'm gonna just bring it to the company and they're gonna bend it for me. So that's the plan for now.